In critical HVAC environments, long-term reliability begins with water quality. When suspended solids are allowed to circulate through cooling systems, they introduce instability, accelerate fouling, and increase operational risk. Tekleen automatic self-cleaning filters provide continuous filtration performance down to 2 microns, protecting core HVAC assets while maintaining stable system pressure and uninterrupted flow, even during backwash cycles. In data center environments, uptime is non-negotiable. Cooling systems must operate continuously, without pressure fluctuations or maintenance interruptions, to protect critical infrastructure. Tekleen supports 24/7 cooling operations by delivering consistent filtration performance down to 2 microns, reducing fouling risk and stabilizing condenser water quality. By eliminating long backwash cycles associated with traditional filtration, Tekleen helps data centers maintain energy efficiency and protect system availability. The performance impact is measurable where it matters most. By reducing fouling, stabilizing system pressure, and minimizing maintenance intervention, Tekleen helps facilities lower energy consumption, reduce operating costs, and protect high-value HVAC equipment. This is filtration designed not just to perform, but to deliver long-term operational value. Tekleen engineers work directly with owners, operators, and engineering teams to design filtration solutions that align with specific flow rates, space constraints, and water quality conditions. From industrial facilities to data centers and commercial campuses, Tekleen delivers filtration performance engineered for reliability. Visit tekleen.com to start your custom system design.